Botticelli shoes. You've been talking about my Botticelli shoes. What are you talking about? Did you or did you not tell Kramer that I got my shoes at Botticelli?
They're spicy. He wants another one. You got that pasta primavera?
Elaine, I'm very busy here. Who else have you mentioned my shoes to, huh? I want to know why you're here to have conversation. I am not discussing this. This is insane.
You got that pasta primavera? Let's go.
Yeah.
Here you are, Mr. Dalrymple. Sorry for the delay. Enjoy your lunch. Well, come in. Hi. Awfully sorry to make you come up here, but I really wasn't feeling well enough to go back to the office, and well, it's the only chance I have to meet with you this week.
Are you all right?
Well, it's my stomach. I think there must have been something in the pasta primavera I had for lunch.
Where did you eat?
Pfeiffer's.
Ah. I know the chef there.
Yeah, food's usually terrific.
My cousin worked for Bouchard's. He used to use the bouillabaisse for a toilet.
What are you saying?
Well, you didn't hear it from me, but needless to say, if you go in there, stick with the consommé.
Oh, we better get started. My daughter's going to be here soon.
Oh, you have a daughter?
Yeah, she just turned 15 last week.
Oh, that's a fun age.
All right. No script. Now, I've read this thing 3 times. Yeah. And every time I read it...
What?
Excuse me for a second.
What?
Would you like a Pepto-Bismol? I keep them in my wallet. You think he liked it?
I'm not sure. What was that dish he said?
Pasta primavera.
You know, primavera is Italian for spring.
No.
Yeah.
I'm terribly sorry. It's just, all of a sudden it just hit me.
Yeah.
So,
So you were saying about the script.
right, the script. Your script needs, it needs,
More jokes?
Another ending?
A different name for the butler?
Maybe we should go.
We haven't heard his notes yet. We don't know how he feels about our work.
Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
I can't listen to any more of this. The guy's losing a lung in there.